how to turn on predictive text on Samsung phone keyboard. This tutorial shows you how to enable predictive words while typing on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on General Management. Following that, tap on Language and Input. Now, tap on On-Screen Keyboard. You'll see your default keyboard listed. Moving forward, tap on Samsung keyboard or your default keyboard. The keyboard settings page will open. Afterwards, look for Predictive Text or Word Suggestion. Tap on it to access the Predictive Text settings. You'll see a toggle switch next to Predictive Text. Toggle it on if it's currently disabled. The Predictive Text feature is now active on your keyboard. Additionally, you can also enable it directly from your keyboard while typing. Open any app with a text field like Messages or Notes. Tap on the gear icon on your keyboard. Look for Predictive Text toggle in the Quick Settings. Toggle it on from here as well. Now start typing and your keyboard will suggest words as you type. Tap on any suggested word to quickly add it to your message. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you turn on predictive text on Samsung phone keyboard, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.